Everybody's looking for the next big thing, but what if I told you that the biggest thing is people? Yep, let's check out where the tallest folks call home. First stop, the Netherlands. Dutch men average a towering 183.78 centimeters, or about 6 feet. Next up, Montenegro, where men stand at an impressive 183 centimeters. In Estonia, men average around 182.79 centimeters, while the ladies are about 168.66 centimeters, or 5 feet 6 inches. Bosnia and Herzegovina keeps the height going strong, with men at 182.47 centimeters and women at 167.47 centimeters. Iceland's men average 182.1 centimeters and women hit around 169.91 centimeters, making them some tall Vikings. Sweden brings us men at 181 centimeters and women at 167 centimeters. Denmark's men are also 181 centimeters on average. Norwegian men match that height at 181 centimeters. Serbia steps in with men averaging 180 centimeters. And finally, Croatia's men also stand tall at 180 centimeters. So if you're looking to feel short, these are the places to visit. Happy traveling.